And if we have anybody come into the waiting room, I will let them in. So sounds like things are going well. I want to remind you that I have office hours from 10:30 to noon if anything were to come up and you needed anything. I am going to start in WebAssign today so that we can just look at where we are, and everybody's doing a great job. I mean, everybody has signed in, they've gotten enrolled and gotten started. So I am going to share my screen. Okay, so hopefully what you're looking at right now is the WebAssign, and that is where you're spending a decent part of your time. Actually, you're spending almost all of your time in there unless you're watching my videos. Now, I want you to remember that WebAssign is not where you have to learn the material. It's where your homework is, okay? So think of WebAssign as your book. You have two things due for me tonight. One is the homework, and then one is the prep assessment. So I would recommend doing the homework first and then doing the prep assessment, and that's due tonight at 11:59. Now, I'm in my student account, and I took the prep assessment on Sunday. That's why it says that. But on yours, it should say Tuesday, May 5th at 11:59. Now, one of the big mistakes that students make is they click on a timed assignment before they want to take it. Okay, and then you may get something like this. You've used all your time allowed for this assignment. Okay, if that happens, just email me. Now, it's not something that you want to get in the habit of doing, but as we learn how to use WebAssign, that is something that sometimes happens with students. Now, I went in and looked today for the people that have 0 minutes left on the prep assessment, and they actually had already done the prep assessment. So good job to those of you that have already finished the prep assessment. And the prep assessment is prerequisite skills that you probably need some review on before we get started with the class. And that's what we're doing today, is just kind of refreshing ourselves on the positives and the negatives and how to go through that. So I'm going to pause just for a second, and you can let me know if you have any questions on the prep assessments assignments that are due tonight. Any questions on the prep assessment assignments that are due tonight? Okay, well, all of you guys did a fabulous job with everything that you needed to take care of yesterday. So we've got Quiz Zero turned in, we've got WebAssign, so you can refer back to that as needed, especially this right here where it says Math 131 Calendar, Summer 2020. And almost every day we will be looking at that. Now, we are on May 5th. You are looking at the prep assessment homework and the prep assessment. That's what we're doing today. And you want to have both of those done by midnight tonight. Now, just a reminder, this is where you find your videos. This is where you find your videos. They're right here, videos for your module. And those are videos of me doing addition and subtraction of fractions, positive and negative numbers, etc. Those are videos for you to watch that are super helpful as you are learning about the class. Now, do you see right here where it says extra practice not required? Those are just additional problems that you can watch if you want to. Specifically this right here where it says video, if you need to see me do some additional problems, that's a really, really great place to go. Now this afternoon, I will be organizing all of Unit 1, and that'll be released sometime mid-afternoon. So if you are one of the students that have gone ahead and taken the prep assessment and you want to get ahead, I will release those assignments for you in the next couple of hours so that I can make sure that you've got them. Okay? Okay, so and like our 10 o'clock meetings will be, you know, kind of short. I just want to touch base with everybody daily, just to kind of see that we're on track. Now, if for some reason you aren't able to attend the 10 o'clock meetings, you absolutely can watch the recording. I do really, really strongly encourage you to watch the recording if you can't be here, just because it's a reminder of what you need to do and what you need to take care of. Okay, I want to make sure that, oh, good. So, and this is where they'll be, right here, where it says daily overview recorded sessions. And this is where they'll be. So before 11 o'clock, I'll put today's up there. Okay, and it's short. It's just a time for us to touch base. So what do you need from me? What can I do to help? Whoops. Okay, the question is, when I say daily overviews, does that mean Monday through Friday? Yes, Nate, thank you for asking that question. So I will be online Monday through Friday at 10 o'clock. And then Monday through Friday from 10:30 to noon, I will be online office hours. Now, I am committed to returning emails over the weekend because we have such a short period of time. I know that some of you will be working on things over the weekend. And so I will commit to returning emails over the weekend. That's a great question. But yes, it's Monday through Friday. And I do have a meeting this Thursday. I need to get a little bit more information about it. It starts at 8:30, but there is a chance that I may just have to do the video on Thursday and get it out to you. But you will have some kind of contact, some kind of video with me every day to make sure that you've kind of got the path that you need to go on. Other questions? What can I do for you? Okay, so like I said, these are super short. I just want to make sure that you know what you're doing and where you're headed and where you're going. Any last minute questions before I let us go? Okay, well, good luck. And in the next couple of hours, I will have tomorrow's stuff open. There's no need for you to start it unless you just want to get ahead, which is totally reasonable. I'll go ahead and release the videos and then also your homework assignment, because I know several of you are ready to start that. Okay, let me make sure I don't have any more last minute questions. Okay, I think we're good. Email me if anything comes up, okay? Bye, guys.